Because it's dark, when I enter the bathroom, I turn on the lights. This process typically begins with the electrical energy flowing through the circuit in the light fixture. When you boil water, thermal energy or heat energy is at work. This process starts when electrical energy or chemical energy, if you're using a gas stove, is converted into thermal energy, which is transferred to the water. When you sit outside, you experience the sound energy in various ways, depending on your surroundings. Sound energy is produced by vibration that travels through the air as sound waves, which we interpret as different sounds. An alarm clock is a great example of sound energy in action. When an alarm clock goes off, it conveys electrical energy from a battery or plug-in or power source into sound energy, which is audible alarm. The clock internal components, like a spear or a small buzzer, create vibration that travels through the air as sound waves, reaching your ears and alerting you to wake up.